we could lose a generation of potential as more young Americans are forced to forego college dreams or the chance to train for the jobs of the future. Families have been forced to make painful choices. There are businesses that have been forced to close their doors or ship jobs overseas because they can't afford insurance. Medicare costs are consuming our federal budget. Medicaid is overwhelming our state. If more schools are forced to close, we've also recommended that both parents and businesses think about contingency plans if children do have to stay home. We have business owners who fear they'll be forced to choose between keeping their doors open or covering their workers. It's about every business forced to shut their doors or shed jobs or ship them overseas. He's already had to let 2 of them go, and he may be forced to eliminate health insurance altogether. He rants. So we can push off the day of reckoning and fail to deal with many have been forced to cut benefits or drop coverage. Some and many more are discouraged from even trying because of the crushing costs of healthcare. Costs that have forced too many small businesses to cut benefits, shed jobs, or shut their doors for good. Through their employers will no longer be forced to pay punishingly high rates to get coverage. This legislation will also strengthen Medicare, and hardworking folks who did everything right suddenly found themselves forced to downscale their dreams because of economic factors beyond their control. Countless businesses have been forced to shut their doors. More small businesses will be forced to choose between healthcare and hiring. Teachers are being forced to teach to the test, while subjects like history and science are being squeezed out. And people with disabilities who are waiting for their benefits could be forced to wait even longer. Already, the threat of these cuts has forced the Navy to delay the deployment of an aircraft carrier to the Persian Gulf, affecting our ability to respond to threats in an unstable part of the world. They forced us to answer some difficult questions about what we can do, what we must do, to prevent the kinds of massacres we've seen in Newtown and Aurora and Oak Creek, as well as the everyday tragedies that happen far too often in big cities and small towns all across America. Our Head Start agency was forced to stop providing services on October 1st for over 770 children, and 175 staff were furloughed. Even today, women can be fired for taking too many bathroom breaks, or forced on unpaid leave just for being pregnant.